Hi all, welcome to Solutions3X. Myself Rashekar Gumadi, I am Director of Training and Operations. Today I am here to share the exciting news. You guess what? We are opening up a new center in Ameerpet, Hyderabad. I personally oversee this program so that our students will get best out of this training. With all our corporate experiences, we have built up the course in such a way that students will understand and get a practical exposure and they perform better in their corporate jobs. Come and enjoy the benefit of the trainings that we build up with our all hard work from our previous corporate experiences. See you all in the classroom. Please like, subscribe and follow our channel for more updates. Thank you.